Hi everyone, welcome to Travel Tuesday. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we're going to be going over a pre-travel checklist. So let's get into it here. First of all, you want to check your dates. Double check that the dates on your wallet cards match your travel itinerary. It's important that the insurance company is aware of your exact dates of travel. So if you've had any changes in your travel plans, be sure you've updated your insurance agent or provider. And if you're traveling on an annual plan, be sure you have enough coverage for the full length of the trip. If you need additional days, be sure you've purchased your top-up prior to leaving. Read your policy. Be sure you've read your entire policy terms and conditions prior to leaving. Although it can certainly be boring or dry to read, it's very important that you've both read and understood what's contained within that document. You may have questions for your agent or provider based on what you've read, so be sure everything's answered prior to leaving. Check your stability. If you've had any changes in your health or medication, check your stability period to see if you've reached it prior to departing. If you haven't reached your stability period, any claim resulting in that particular condition is not going to be covered. So if this is the case, call your agent or provider. You might have options to reduce your stability period and get some coverage for that condition. And pack your medication. This is so important. If you have any pre-existing conditions that require medication, be sure you've packed an adequate amount for your entire trip. If you misplace or run out of medication, it's not a benefit of travel medical insurance, and it's always a good idea to pack extra prescription medication as you may face unexpected delays. And pack your documents. Be sure you've packed your insurance documents, and it's very important to place your wallet cards in your wallet so that they're handy and accessible in the event of an emergency. It's also important to pack your policy. You might want to refer to it while you're away. If you've misplaced your documents or require another copy, be sure to contact your agent or provider prior to traveling. Never ever travel without your policy number and the toll-free emergency assistance number. Don't leave questions. Be sure there are no question marks or undiagnosed issues left in your medical records. Any condition or conditions that are pending results, further investigation, or treatment such as surgery will not be covered while you're away. It's important to avoid this as you may be under investigation for a variety of conditions and nothing that is being considered will be covered. So it's best to clear any questions prior to leaving. And if you're unable to do so, delaying your trip might be an option to consider. And know before you go, thanks for listening today. We're the Travel Insurance Office Incorporated, insuring traveling Canadians since 1991. Check us out online at travelinsuranceoffice.com or by phone at that toll-free number listed on your screen. Thank you and have a wonderful week.